The mechanism of origin and maintenance of delusions can be understood through a simple three-step neurobiological model. It begins with aberrant salience caused by abnormal prediction errors. Normally, the brain constantly predicts what is important and what can be safely ignored. However, when there is abnormal dopamine signaling or disturbed prediction error processing, the brain starts attaching excessive importance to completely neutral stimuli. As a result of this aberrant salience, ordinary events begin to feel unusually meaningful, coincidences appear highly significant, random remarks seem personally directed, and harmless perceptions feel incredibly suspicious or emotionally loaded. The person experiences a profound and strong feeling that something very important is going on around them. Following this, the brain moves into the second phase, which is the formation of delusional explanations. The mind naturally attempts to make sense of these abnormal, highly salient experiences. Influenced by impaired reasoning, emotional factors such as profound fear or anxiety, and sometimes suspicious or rigid personality traits, the person arrives at false explanatory beliefs. They might conclude that people are watching them, that the television is sending them secret messages, or that others are actively plotting against them. Forming this delusion actually helps the person in the short term, as it reduces their anxiety and uncertainty by providing a concrete, albeit false, meaning to their deeply confusing sensory experiences. The third phase involves the maintenance of these delusions. Once a delusion is formed, it becomes heavily self-reinforcing through several powerful psychological mechanisms. First is confirmation bias, where the person selectively notices evidence that supports their new belief while completely ignoring any contradictory evidence. Second is cognitive dissonance reduction. Because contradictory information creates psychological discomfort, the mind simply reinterprets or rejects that new data to preserve its internal consistency. Third, the individual experiences impaired belief updating, meaning their brain has extreme difficulty modifying its stance, even when logical evidence dictates it should. Furthermore, social factors play a role. Social isolation drastically reduces corrective feedback from reality, while interacting with certain individuals might inadvertently reinforce the false belief system. Finally, through a process known as progressive interpretive elaboration, often called delusional work, more and more daily experiences get incorporated into the delusional framework over time. This makes the delusion increasingly elaborate, deeply ingrained, and internally consistent, making it incredibly difficult to dismantle.